Fresno County Sheriff's Office. This is Mike.
Hey, Mike. I live on East Saginaw, in Old Fig. There's a Hispanic gentleman kind of running sideways and backwards and kind of throwing his arms up in the air, heading west on Saginaw towards Palm. He's just acting real strange. I don't know if there's a deputy in the area to kind of check it out. Or.
So he's in the 600 block of East Saginaw?
Yeah, well, now he just crossed over Van Ness, heading, like, towards Palm. But he's kind of running sideways, holding up his pants and throwing his arms up in the air. And I don't know what he's doing. He keeps looking back, and then it's almost like he's looking for something or hiding from something. I don't know.
Hey, Mary 10.
Hey, Mary 10.
Hey, start us a code 2 ambulance, non-voluntary.
Copy.
Hey, Mary 14, they're going to have to forward him. He's 5 minutes.
Copy. Channel 4 is on emergency traffic.
No, you don't need to.
8 Mary 14, you don't need the air?
No. Hey, Mary 10.
8 Mary 10.
Do me a favor, could you please start EMS code 3? We're going to need a 4.0.
Copy, we'll upgrade to code 3.
Lincoln 25.
Lincoln 25.
Something's become combative. We're code 4 up on the ground, and we're waiting for EMS to respond. We need to take it over to get out to our team.
10-4.
Stop, Joseph. Knock it off. Relax, Joseph, stop.
There you go. Lincoln 25.
Lincoln 25.
Take a deep breath. Trying to help you, Joseph. That's it. Just trying to help you.
Just relax. Please. Let me redeem myself.
There you go, see? There you go.
Lincoln 21, 1097.
10-4.
Wonderful, sir.
You're fine. Just breathe deep. Just breathe. Put your head right there. See, look. Block your eyes there from the sun. Just relax. Just relax. You're doing fine. Stop, Joseph. Stop.
Joseph, just relax, okay? Come on, there you go. Breathe. 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 There you go. Hold on. Stop. Stop, Joseph.
Go
around.
Joseph. Knock it off. Knock it off. Stop.
Stop,
Stay there,
Joseph.
please.
Stop scraping up your head like that, man.
We got an ambulance
okay, come
coming.
on.
We got an ambulance coming,
You're
Joseph.
doing a great job. You just keep it up, man. Just breathe. 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 Come on, just breathe.
The ambulance coming, buddy. We'll take care of you.
I'm not going to let that little ant get you. Stop, Joseph. You're not going anywhere, okay? Just stop. Just stop. There you go.
They have not
Nothing.
opened the tonneau on my truck. Yeah, there's a white towel, dirty white towel up on the front.
Fuck! Joseph, breathe. Look at that, man. You got me like I'm a scumbag, man.
I'm trying to hurt you.
You don't want you to hurt yourself, Joseph.
Help me, man.
We are
Hey, look,
helping
they
you.
beat the dog, man. Come on, man. Y'all motherfuckers.
Joseph, just relax.
I never touched nobody's kid, man.
Joseph.
Hey, man. Fuck yeah. Hey, how much y'all trying?
Hey, Joseph, that towel's gonna help you out.
Good help
Relax.
you, Joseph.
That's wrong.
Can you breathe?
Yeah.
Joseph, relax.
He just keeps rubbing his head on the concrete.
Joseph.
Yeah, they're supposed to be in route code 3. Help me get his other leg.
2 Lincoln 21.
Can you get an ETA on
Stop, Joseph. Knock it off. Knock it off. Knock it off.
What's his name?
Joseph.
Hey, Joseph, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Clean up, man. I can't stand it.
Joseph, can you breathe?
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
2 Lincoln 21, they're advising they're on scene.
Stand for. We don't see them. Confirm they have a corrected swing.
It should be Palm and Santa Fe.
Affirmative.
Apparently they're 1097 road.
That's
2 Lincoln 21, they had Santa Ana and Palm. They'll be en route.
No. My head got shut up. Come on, man.
They're on their way now.
Joseph, just relax. Joseph, relax. Relax, Joseph. Relax. Relax, Joseph. Joseph, we're here to help you. Uncuff this left one here.
Yeah, we got to
Just sit on that board.
Let's get these feet down first, yeah? Alright. Once we get his feet secured, then we can work on his arms from there.
Alright.
You get all the strap ones too?
Joseph, just relax, okay? Come on, buddy.
This hand's sticking out a little bit if you want to try to get that cuff
I'd be
on
better
it.
get that one.
Or you get that leather cuff on his hand.
Hey, dude, I want you to relax, okay? Yeah, he was grinding on the ground.
Yeah, he'd be grinding his head. Your cuff ball's in the way. Yeah, you're all the way to the cuff now.
And that's me, Martinez. Gotcha. Joseph, you okay? I was trying to get down lower. Joseph, you alright? You alright, dude? Joseph.
Okay.
Get up.
They got his feet.
Just make sure those are on there nice and tight.
The responding on it.
Joseph. He's moving. Joseph. Yeah, I got a long key.
Which way is it? Black. Oh, it's just a cut. Alright. What was the other one? 29,800, Sarge.
29,800.
Here. Yep.
Probation 123. Log on. Self-initiate. 1097 at 1905 Baxter Avenue for probation contract.
Yep. All right.
Secure going on.